Halo teman-teman, balik lagi nih di channel ini. Gimana nih kabar kalian? Sehat-sehat selalu ya. Semoga gue doain kalian tetap berjuang, tetap semangat dalam apapun yang kalian lakukan sampai ke depan-depan ya teman-teman. So guys, ini saatnya kita lanjutin lagi berusaha untuk namatin Genshin Impact. Semoga kalian suka dengan series ini. Kalau kalian suka, please subscribe, like dengan video ini, komen kurang-kurangnya apa dari video-video gue yang kemarin, agar channel ini terus berkembang sehingga gue bisa melanjutkan game-game yang lainnya juga. Sampai dek sekarang kita harus nyesain janji gue akan nyesain dan namatin Genshin Impact nih teman-teman. Semoga kalian suka ya. Tanpa banyak basa-basi lagi, langsung kita mulai gamenya. So, semoga kalian masih semangat ya, tetaplah berjuang sehingga kalian bisa mendapatkan mimpi-mimpi kalian, mengejar mimpi kalian. Gue yakin kalian bisa, karena orang lain bisa, gue yakin kita juga bisa. Ya, gue berharap kalian suka dengan seri-seri seperti ini. Maaf kalau misalkan video yang gue record tuh kurang bagus karena gue pakai barang yang seadanya ya. Jadi kemarin tuh kita terakhir di sini. Recap sedikit, kita disuruh nyuri Holy Lyre. Lyre itu kayak harpa kecil lah. Tapi kita disuruh sampai jam 6 sore dulu. Caranya itu seperti ini nih teman. Nah ini kita confirm. Recap sedikit lagi. Terakhir itu kita udah nemuin caranya nyelamatin dari Dvalin ya. Dvalin itu Storm Terror, yaitu naga yang nyerang City of Mondstadt nih teman-teman. Jadi cara menyelamatkannya adalah dengan si harpa kecil itu dibantuin dengan si Barbitus. Ini coba kita langsung coba ya. So gimana teman-teman, kalian masih suka dengan video-video seperti ini? Kalau kalian suka, kalian bisa main game ini secara gratis loh teman-teman. Kalau gue main ini di Android, Xiaomi Mi Pad 6. Nah kalian juga bisa mainin di PS4, Xbox, iOS, dan juga PC nih. Gratis ya, game ini gratis ya. Sejauh ini game ini seru banget. Gue suka dengan grafik ya, gue suka dengan pemandangannya. Dan gue main ini di Xiaomi Mi Pad 6, jadi gue suka-suka aja. Nah ini kita harus nyuri sampai sana. Dan ngendap-ngendap ya. Ini apa nih? Ini berdiri. Nah ini kayak gitu. Ini asli ini. Wah ada orang juga di situ. Gue nih suka banget sama ini karena dia mirip banget Assassin's Creed ya. Kalau yang maksudnya model-model kayak gini, bisa ngelempar batu, terus diam-diam kayak gini. Dia kesini, ntar ya, gue kesini dulu. Itu juga ada dua, nggak mungkin gue liat situ. Gue nungguin dia lewat dulu. Belakang ada nggak ya? Nggak ada. Sejauh ini seru ya. Gue harus cepet kesini. Ke sana ya. Kayak kesana deh. Takutnya di situ nanti ada chest juga di situ. Gue lempar ke sana. Astaga. Gue mau ngambil chest itu cuy. Gimana caranya ya? Pasti bisa. Aduh gak bisa kesana lagi. Ih. Nah. Ya ampun guys dulu. Nah, oke. Di sini gak ada. Kok masuk sini? Oke, dapat. Udah gak free lagi, yang penting dapat. Sana nggak bisa, sini bisa. Oke, bisa. Tuh kan, benar kan? Kalau gue lewat tangga tadi, bisa jadi malah gue ketemu sama dia. Gue lempar ke sana dulu. Kemana? Iya, susah ya. Cek dong. Cek sana. Bisa gak? Oh, bisa. Oh, dia manjat. Apa-apaan? Udah kan? Udah ada lagi kan? Di belakang itu doang. Langsung aja gitu. Ke sini.
Who are you? She disappeared.
Freeze! What are you doing here?
No, run!
Saya dicuri duluan ya, sahabat. Gak tahu itu apa.
Oh no! We're busted! Run!
What? Follow me.
Gak ada yang ngejar sih, tapi ada waktu ya. Kita ikutin aja waktunya. Hey. Bisa-bisanya dicuri. Padahal kita udah nyuri.
Master Diluc, this is this week's accounts.
The disaster has greatly affected business.
Well, let's hope it all ends soon.
Hi! We'd like a seat at your, least conspicuous table.
The second floor has fewer customers. You'd be less conspicuous up there. But aren't you a bard? Why not sit front and center?
Let's save the paid performance for next time. We'll be heading up now. See you in a bit.
Hey, keep an eye on them. There's something strange about that bard. I'll go ask around.
Ask who exactly?
The protectors of Mondstadt.
Master Diluc, have you seen two thieves around?
What happened? Why have you mobilized so many guards?
Haven't you heard, Master Diluc? Two thieves are trying to steal the Holy Lyre.
Oh? How odd.
Isn't it? The Holy Lyre is a treasure that was played by the god of animal themselves. Such a precious piece of cultural heritage.
Why would one want to steal something they can't sell off? Would pay better to steal from my cellars.
Huh?
Sorry, off topic. Believe they headed that way.
Understood. Thank you, Master Diluc.
Today, I think I'll have a glass of...
You can put down that bottle you stole from behind the counter.
something cold.
Right. I want answers.
Let me finish my drink first. I'll pay you. Well, with a performance.
It's not about money. You seem too young to be drinking.
No need to worry. When I started drinking, you were still... You want to ask, who's this? Am I right? He is Master Diluc, the boss of, the owner of this tavern. He's very famous. By the way, his dandelion wine is one of my favorites. Although most of the time I can only afford a bottle or two.
I just heard about some thieves from the guards. For the record, I like your guts for trying to steal the Holy Lyre de Hamel. Even if you are fools. But we don't often get to see people like you.
It wasn't us that stole it. The real thief is still out there.
This is the hotshot of the Knights of Favonius. Why would someone so aspiring steal Mondstadt's sacred treasure?
Hotshot? Oh, so it's you. So, you and the Bard are close friends? Well, despite only being a passing traveler, you still offered your help to Mondstadt in its time of need. A shame you joined the Knights. The Knights of Favonius. Inefficient right from beginning to end. And towards the Fatui, weak and conservative. Forget it. I don't feel like talking about it.
Seems you don't really like the Knights of Favonius.
Just differences in approach is all. I have my own hopes for this city. Now, answers. Why did you steal the Holy Lyre?
You sure you want to know? It could implicate you in the affairs of the Knights of Favonius.
That's fine. I somehow always end up implicated in their affairs.
If I tell you the story with a performance, will you believe me?
It depends. I'll make my own judgment.
Then will I get paid?
Your reward will range from anywhere between 5 mora and the Holy Lyre. It all depends on your story.
Very well. Let me put on a show.
What did I just witness? This is confidential information. Why did you let me know?
Why? Perhaps the winds are changing. What say you, Master Diluc?
Interesting. Give me some time. I'll organize some contacts. Outlander, as one of the Knights, it seems you're not a suspect. Blonde is the only description on the wanted poster. You should be safe. As for the Bard, however, it'd be better if you stayed in the tavern.
No problem. I like taverns.
Okay. Let's meet here tonight after the tavern closes.
Pasti disuruh nunggu lagi. Diluc ya, Diluc ini gue lihat tadi ada vision-nya api. Vision itu apa? Vision itu adalah orang-orang yang diberkahi Tuhan atau God di dalam bermain ini untuk bisa ngendaliin elemental. Kalau yang gue pakai sekarang itu angin. Ternyata nggak disuruh nunggu, cuma disuruh keluar dan masuk lagi. Enak kemungkinan besar udah tengah malam di game ini.
You're here. Wait, you're...
Well, first of all, I contacted more than one person. Secondly, she came here as Jean herself, not as the acting Grandmaster. A Jean you would never see, even as an honorary knight.
What a surprise. I heard about the Holy Lyre, but I never suspected it was you. So, the sound of the Holy Lyre can purify Storm Terror and return it to normal? Is that true?
That's right. Your honorary knight is putting themselves on the front line to try and resolve this Storm Terror issue. Now that's the hotshot of the Knights of Favonius I'm talking about.
Feels like we're breaking the law, though.
I understand this kind of absurd explanation is hard to believe. But we can ask the Bard to play the song again to try and persuade...
I believe you.
To persuade our stubborn command... Wait, what?
I can't think of any reason for Dvalin's betrayal, given it was once one of the Four Winds. However, if it was poisoned in the battle over Mondstadt all those years ago, and then corrupted by the Abyss Mage after it woke up, we can't really blame it. But as acting Grandmaster, I obviously cannot make such a statement publicly. Diplomatic pressure from the Fatui makes it hard for us to seek a peaceful resolution to the Storm Terror issue. People would think I've lost grip on the gravity of the situation. That's why I can only do this in private.
That's one of the reasons I don't like the Knights of Favonius. What surprises me is that you would believe in Outlanders so easily.
My cautious and meticulous superior, even you trust him, don't you, sir?
I already told you not to call me sir. Never mind. We don't often get to work together after all.
Wow. This is really awkward.
I have a rough idea of where the Holy Lyre de Himmel is.
Nice recovery. She's really talented at changing the subject.
The conflict between Mondstadt and Snezhnaya stems from the conflict between the 7 nations and their respective gods. The cryo-gods Fatui seem to be after the Animo god's power. Right. If the Knights of Favonius publicly prevented an attempt on Dvalin's head, the only other way to affect the Animo god's power is to take the Holy Lyre.
The number of Fatui that have come to Mondstadt is far from limited. I've already managed to coerce a few reports out of them.
Diluc has determined that the Holy Lyre is not being held in the Goth Grand Hotel. I imagine they don't want to leave something stolen in a place where it could be so easily found.
Paimon gets it. If too much of a scene gets made, then it becomes a big diplomatic issue.
Such is the diplomacy between the 7 nations. Outlander, ready to go?
Ready lah. Sejujurnya,
Jean just said the
dialognya
Fatui are
kepanjangan.
trying to take Dvalin's power for the Cryo God. I fear this might fall short of their true intentions. I think they intend to use Barbados' connection to the wind to draw him out. Just like Lisa traced the source of the storm to the temples.
The god of Animo? Hasn't been seen for more than 1,000 years. What makes you think that's their intention?
Oh,
Forget it. I don't like having to pry. Here, take this.
What is it?
A disguise to protect your identity. Put it on before you run into the Fatui.
Kebanyakan dialog, jadi kita langsung aja. Dialognya panjang-panjang ternyata. Kayaknya dialognya sendiri aja udah hampir 10 menit. Jadi kita langsung mainin. Kalau kita dengerin dialognya itu sebenarnya bagus sih. Jadi kita tahu jalan
Unfortunately,
ceritanya.
they're still one of Mondstadt's allies. At least that's the facade we're maintaining. Our
500
actions are
meter.
going to get them stirred up.
Kita yang paling dekat itu ini. Kita langsung teleport ya. Recap dari yang tadi teman-teman. Jadi si Cairo dari dewanya es itu ingin ngambil kekuatannya si dewa angin. Nah, dewa yang angin yang kita tahu itu kan si Barbatos. Barbatos itu Fenty sendiri. Cuma mereka masih belum tahu karena pesannya Barbatos itu udah hilang lama banget. Bentar ya. Recharge energi. Terus gue mau renang ke sana buat buka teleport di situ tuh. Snezhnaya gue belum tahu itu apa. Ya semoga semakin lama kita main ini semakin kita tahu ya maksud dari apa. Nah ini suka nyerang sendiri. Ini gue bunuh. Nah, lumayan kan dapat daging bisa kita masak. Yuk, kita main dungeon lagi. Butuh elemen api dan es. Start dulu terus kita atur decknya. Deck yang kedua, deck yang pertama. 1 Berarti gue nggak bisa pakai Noel. Ya kita coba dulu Noelnya kita.
This will be interesting.
Cuman kayaknya itu masih belum gua naikin ya levelnya. Kita naikin level kaya dulu. Nah, kita masih pakai ini auto add aja. Terus gua kasihin. Oh iya, udah oke lah. Udah oke. Soalnya takutnya nanti kita nggak bisa ngubah-ngubah lagi pas di dalam. Ceritanya sudah mulai ketahuan ya. Berarti kita baru kenal ada yang namanya dewa es sama dewa angin. Oh, pakai Diluc ternyata. Kalau pakai Diluc mending gue pakai Amber. Pakai siapa? Noel kan. Ya, kita coba dulu lah ya. Jangan lupa, ini semua harus diambil. Apakah ada sesuatu di sini? Tidak ada. Dan nungguin ini balik kan? Kita tutup pakai itu. Bisa pakai. Diluc ini api ya. Kira-kira kita bakal dapat Diluc di sini. Lumayan ya. Pedangnya bagus sih. Gue suka banget pedang.
No! Don't eat me! You're human? The entire floor's defenses have been broken. I thought it was the Abyss Order attacking. How did you guys know the liar's here? The place it's being kept is locked up tight. If you're after the key, keep going further into the ruins, but don't come after me. I don't know which one of the guards has it, but I'm sure you can find the guards and find out for yourselves.
This guy looks like he's about to wet himself.
You just worry about yourselves. One of the 11 is already in Mondstadt. Signora, when she gets her hands on you, she's gonna string you up and torture you. When that time comes, don't you dare say a word about me.
Did he say Senora? What a strange name.
Number 8 of the 11 goes by the name Signora. The fact that the Fatuid can run amok across the 7 nations like they do is entirely because of the 11. We need to act quickly before she gets wind of what's going on.
Harbringer. Itu nama yang baru lagi. Ini ada 4 titik. Kita mulai dari yang paling dekat dulu.
Who are you? How'd you get in here? Never heard of that association before. What are you lot doing here? Oh? Keep talking. You're here for the lyre, aren't you? And just how do you plan to borrow it? Okay, sounds like a plan. All right, you're free to go. But I don't have the key, unfortunately. You'll have to ask the next guard you come across.
Gua
He
kira
says
bakal
the
nyerang.
key isn't here. Shall we try another room?
Coba kita pindah ke sini. Tadi kanan dulu sekali, udah coba kiri sekali. Nah, gue sekalian lihat ada. Kira-kira ada. Nah, itu kita belum buka. Nanti kejauhan lagi kita ini. Coba di sini. Kok pintunya tutup ya? Oke.
Seems like we've turned this room inside out, but no key. Time to move on to another room.
Ini apa? Oh, oke. Kalau lawannya api, jangan pakai api, karena mereka itu biasanya tuh imun. Jadi kalau kita lawan api, pakainya air atau es. Oh, ini ada chest di sini. Gimana cara bukanya? Untuk damage Diluc gede banget.
Like we've turned this room inside out, but no key.
Yang terakhir
Time
waktu
to
di
move
atas.
on to another room. There's one room left that we haven't tried. Surely the key must be in there.
Coba sini. Di atas ada apa? Cek semua ya teman-teman, jadi karena kita harus cari-cari chest yang ketinggalan.
Who are you? What are you doing here? What? I... I am a proud citizen of Snet.
Ditabrak ya.
No one escapes my sights.
Freeze! Don't get frostbite.
Try not to enjoy this too much.
Santai bos.
Time for retribution. Ha!
Oke, udah dapat kuncinya. Aku suka Diluc ya. Diluc damage-nya gede banget. Selain damage-nya gede, dia nggak terlalu baik ngabisin energi ya kalau gua rasa ya. Tepat tiap karakter beda-beda kan. Sini ada apa? Gak ada apa-apa. Kita cek lagi sini. Juga gak ada apa-apa. Coba start ini dulu. Oh, ke depan. Kayak gitu.
Where did you rats scurry out from?
Oh, ada ini.
Signora's not going to tolerate this kind of interference in our affairs. So I'll be the one to take care of you. Save her the trouble
Oh,
of
bisa
having
dua
to deal
gitu
with
ya?
you herself.
Go, Baron Bunny!
Windblade!
Pakai semua yang kita bisa pakai.
No escape.
Skillnya 3 gitu loh.
Burn!
Let it rain!
Come a little closer. You've been a naughty boy.
Aku suka banget tuh sama Lisa tuh damage gede.
Dodge this! Disappear!
Gimana dia? Oh ini.
Get him! I'll race you there!
Freeze! Oh, so
Waduh.
sorry.
Run from death.
Gua ngeluarin ultinya di saat dia sudah mati. Sayang banget. Tapi udah dapet ini sih.
Finally, the lyre is back in safe hands! Where did that guy go, though? He was here a second ago.
Senora is going to end you. The songs bards sing of your demise will be so terrifying. The people of Mondstadt will never sleep again for the nightmares they give them.
Big talk for a guy who still ran off in the end. Chicken.
Oke, dungeonnya selesai. Nggak ada apa-apa nih yang bisa kita ambil. Tidak ada sepertinya. Apakah kita dapat diluk? Karena biasanya kalau habis dari dungeon kayak gini kita bisa dapat diluk sih, cuman kita lihat dulu. Diluk enak banget. Skillnya 3 kan. Gue suka sama diluk dibandingkan Amber. Dan ternyata kita tidak dapat diluk. So teman-teman, sepertinya gue harus akhiri video di sini. Seperti biasa gue akan bilang, kalau kalian suka dengan video ini, jangan lupa subscribe, like video ini, dan komen teman-teman, komen apa yang kurang dari video ini, apa yang kurang dari cara main gue atau gimana, agar channel ini terus berkembang. Dan gue minta maaf banget kalau misalkan video gue ini kurang bagus karena gue masih pakai peralatan yang seadanya, tapi semoga kalian suka ya, sehingga gue dapat melanjutkan sampai ke depannya lagi. So, sehat terus untuk kita. Sampai berjumpa di waktu selanjutnya ya. Dadah.